Okay, so this is my second take at pressing. My first take went well, and so I'm hopeful for this one to go as well. I just used my Cameo in the Silhouette Design Store. I found a picture of a night mask. I traced it in the studio software. I just designed or traced this design. I typed up this text that says Sweet Dreams in cookies and milk font, which I got off defonts.com. I put the text on top of the picture, and then I right-clicked and said make compound path. I have a Cameo 3, so I said select the automatic blade, and I sent it out. And I really wanted just one piece exactly like this, where it's the sleep mask with the words cut out. So I grabbed, again, I'm doing testing still, so I grabbed a pair of old pajama pants, and I'm just going to put this sign on there. I'm trying to figure out where to put it, because you don't wear your clothes flat. So you have to consider that this is going to be halfway on the side, and that this would kind of roll over. So I do want it closer, I think, to the seam than not. Another challenge that I've had with this is like all the material bunching up in the back. So to do these pants, I laid them this way instead, and I'm hoping that it works. Again, this is my second press ever. So that's how I did the design. It looks like my heat press is almost ready. Again, this one does 320 degrees for 20 seconds. So I'm going to swing this around because this is a swing and not a clamshell. Oop, boop, 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 boop. Two things. Don't forget HTV, and don't forget to mirror your design. Flip it horizontally before you print it. And then once you get it in here, you have to put a protective layer over it. My husband bought me this lovely Teflon liner sheet. So again, I'm going to swing this over. And it's not just the heat that you need. It is the pressure into the item. So that's why you have to have the pressure. Now this apparently there is this little screw thing up here, and you can actually ratchet the pressure down a little bit. It worked last night, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed this works again tonight, and that it doesn't look bad. So I've got this lined up. Woo! Reminder, do not touch that. Only touch the handles. I've got this lined up. For some reason, my top is loose here. I've heard for 5-in-1 and 8-in-1 systems that can happen. I don't think it's any big deal because my design is little. So I'm going to go ahead and push this down. Let's see what happens. The minute you grab that handle, it starts the countdown. Now, I read today that if you don't do it hard enough or long enough or hot enough, the design will just peel right back up again. So you'll know right away if it wasn't hot, hard, or ready enough. Okay, so we're gonna swing this around. I'm going to pull off the sheet. I am going to go back to my design and hope for the best. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, that is literally the best feeling ever. So that was one of my questions last night, is how do you know if this is done? And I guess basically if the backing comes off, then it's done. So once again, it worked. This is my very, very simple design that I made. Again, the font is Cookies and Cream, or Cookies and Milk, excuse me. And it feels just very solid on there. So thanks.